What's up guys, it's Daniel Hales. Thank you for tuning back in. We're doing some nogi today. I'm going to show you guys a anaconda choke that I like to do. We can hit it from all angles, but we're going to work on this when you're entering it for a knee through pass, and we're going to force the person to take the bait, okay? So Brandon's going to go down right here, and I'm going to enter the knee through pass. So I have my knees pinched nice and tight right here, and I'm leading with my elbows and my hands are in, okay? I don't want to be like this, knees open, just because if he puts butterfly hooks in, it's harder for me to defend, okay? So I'm gonna start here, lead leg forward. I'm gonna make a C grip, and I'm gonna force Brandon to the knee cut. I'm gonna step in, weave my hand, and I'm gonna grab right here, okay? So now, the first thing when we enter into a knee through pass, we need to go duck feet and pinch, okay? If I go like this, the weight's more on my foot, and it's back here. I wanna be pinched right here, okay? So to get Brandon to take the bait, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my hand, I can go this way or this way, and I pin his arm, okay? Now when you pin somebody's arm, they get frustrated if they can't break it, and a lot of times it forces them to sit up and take the underhook, right there, okay? So when he takes the underhook, I'm gonna snatch the neck, and I'm gonna go underneath the hands, and I'm gonna grab like this, okay? So when I do it, I'm gonna go punch, I steal, and I'm gonna roll over my left shoulder. I'm gonna jump, and I pull his elbow. So when I jumped, I closed this elbow right here, just to elevate Brandon's hand nice and high. Now I don't wanna disengage my hands. I don't wanna let go and start doing this, because that's how he escapes. I'm gonna circle my hands, now I steal. So I have the anaconda choke locked in. I'm gonna steal his arm if I can with my leg, and now I can triangle my feet, and I'm going to start walking towards his hips, flex, and push my stomach and hips in. And I'm going to finish the choke. So again, knees are pinched, I'm right here, I step in, I push, Brandon takes the bait, I jump, pull, circle the hands, lock the leg, hips in. Nice, easy finish. Step again, inside, pinch, push, he takes the bait, I jump, steal, catch, finish. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.